Don't miss this spacious townhome in the wonderful neighborhood of Newport. This is the largest floor plan, with over 1,900 square feet. The first floor living space includes the upgrade of a full bathroom, making it perfect for a separate entertaining area. You will love the huge open great room on the second floor, the eat-in kitchen with upgraded tile backsplash, a half bathroom, and donâ. Miss the water view from the balcony. This is one of the few homes in the neighborhood with a water view. The third floor boasts a master bedroom with water view, a walk-in closet and a private attached bath. You will find 2 more bedrooms on the third floor, the third full bathroom and the washer and dryer for extra convenience. Off-street parking is easy with the 2-car attached garage. Newport offers amazing amenities, including a clubhouse with fitness center, a pool with 2 slides, a playground and more.